So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is the walk around video of the all new Renault Kiger. So this is the key of the car. In the front you get the unlock and lock button as well as the light and the boot button. So as in the front you can see iconic big Renault logo and the grille. So here is the DRL of the car, and below that is the indicators. The DRL doesn't double up for the indicators. Below you get what Renault calls it is the pure vision LED headlamps. These two are the low beams and this is the high beam of the car. There is no fog lamp in this. You get the front skid plate. Bonnet is nicely sculpted. These are the 16-inch alloy wheels which are running on C8 tires. The profile is 195/60 R16s. This is the top model which is RXZ. You get piano black ORVMs and the indicators in. This is the side view of the car. These are functional roof rails. At the rear, Kiger looks this way. You get LED tail lights. This is the LED tail light. Here is the indicator. This part is the brake light and this is the reverse lamp. You get Renault badging over here, the Kiger badging in the center, and above that is the Renault logo. Inside the Renault logo you get the camera which is nicely integrated. This is the rear wiper along with defogger. The spoiler is kind of different and looks sporty. You get a high mount stop lamp along with a washer and a shark fin antenna. This is the AMT model in which Renault calls it Easy R. Let's open the boot. So this is the boot and it is biggest in the segment, which is 404 liters. Below that you get the spare wheel which is a smaller size, which is 185/65 R15s. You get a parcel tray also. These are the reflectors. Let's hop into the rear seats. So the door opens wide. In the door you get the power window switch. The door handles are finished in gloss black, and this is the typical old style locks. In this car you get the 8-speaker system from Archimedes. So the front seats are set to my size. So this is the leg room which you see. The headroom is also quite nice. You get rear AC vents. This is the front armrest. This is the back seat along with an armrest with a phone holder and 2 cup holders. You get 2 rear adjustable headrests. You get simple grab handles over here, and this is how the front looks from the rear seats. The light placement is in the center, which is kind of an odd placement. It should have been shifted to the rear. So this is the front door. On this door you get the power window switches along with a child lock and the mirror ORVM controls. This is how the dashboard looks from the front. This is the steering wheel, which is sort of flat bottomish. You get the Renault logo. On the left side you get the audio controls, and on the right side you get the MID controls. There's no cruise control available in the Kiger. The ORVMs are auto adjustable and auto foldable. And now let's turn on the car. That is the full animation. So this is the 7-inch MID. On the right side you get the fuel meter. On the left side you get the engine temperature meter. Speedometer in the center. It digitally also shows here. Here you get the average mileage. Here is the clock. And on the top left it shows which mode you are in. So this is the fuel economy. This is the trip A and trip B, service and dimming control. That's it. So this car get its driving mode. Right now it is in the normal mode. If you switch it to the left, it goes into the eco mode, and if you switch it to the right, it goes into the sports mode. So here is the wiper controls, and this side is the headlight controls. This is the 8-inch touchscreen which you get. And this is the inside rear view mirror with the mic. Here, this is the automatic climate control. This is the rear wind defogger. This is the lock button, hazard, and this is the AC control. This is the blower speed. This is the temperature, and this is the different modes. So here you can keep your space to keep your phone, the USB socket, engine start stop button. In this car you also get ambient lighting. So here you can see, you get it over here and below the front handles. So here you can see, you can turn it on by this button over here. So now right now we are sitting in the AMT model. So this is the AMT. This is the handbrake of the car. This is the front armrest, which opens and you get some space below here, and this also closes. There are two glove boxes on offer. Here's the upper one, and this is the below, which is quite deep. On every door we have got door pockets to keep around 1 liter bottle. The steering can be adjusted only for up and down. It is not telescopic. You get filter in the car for AC. Here you get a mirror but no cover and no light. Here is the same case. The seats are nice and comfy. So now let's move on to engine bay. So there's insulation. So this is the naturally aspirated engine. You get two engine options, the naturally aspirated and the turbo engine. So in naturally aspirated you get manual and AMT transmissions, and in turbo you get CVT and manual.